Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly cancel your Adobe subscription. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so I'm going to open up a web page here from adobe.com, and now to cancel your subscription, what you want to do is sign into adobe.com/plans here. So I'll just load this web page. So go ahead and put in your email address and password, and then once you've done that, you'll be inside the Adobe account. And then from here, select manage plan for the plan you want to cancel. So under plans, you got manage plans, click on to manage plan. And then after that, it will bring up the manage plan box. And then the bottom right hand corner will be saying something about end your service. So go ahead and click on cancel your plan. And also, if you don't see cancel your plan, the option isn't available if we're processing your payment or had a problem with it. So try again in the next 24 hours. And then check your plan details and then select continue to cancel, indicate the reason for cancellation, and then select continue, review the cancellation details, and then select confirm cancellation, and your Adobe subscription will be ended there and then. And then also a side note, just make sure to check your emails for confirmation. And you can also check your account page to verify that the cancellation has gone through.